So, if you're ready for that, you see here the timer, that all of you can see. And here you see the pendulum. And I have two marks on the floor here. If I hold the bulb here, then it is 5 degrees. This is 5 degrees. And when I hold the bulb here, it is 10 degrees. Timing is not easy. The best way to do it is to start the timing when the pendulum comes to a stop. That is rather well defined. And then you let it swing 10 times, and then when it comes to a stop, you stop it. And it would help me if you would count how many oscillations we have made. Because then I don't have to look at it. All I have to do is when I come close to 10, I have to watch for the moment of stopping, and then I will end it. So, we'll do this first at 5 degrees. I'm going to start it when it comes here. Yeah! Okay, now you count. You're doing very well. You're going to pass this course. 45.7. So that becomes that t. That means this whole equation now has to be divided by 10. And now you will see why I measure 10 oscillations. So t is going to be 4.57 plus or minus 0.2 divided by 10. That is plus or minus 0.02 seconds. And you see, comfortably within the prediction. So maybe my reaction time is a little better than 0.2 of a second. Don't count on it because you haven't seen the rest yet.